say that you're in such a great hands here, and we're here to celebrate summer solstice.
The sound that you are going to receive tonight will influence the rhythms within you. Sound is medicine, sound is prayer, sound is love. The sound really is bringing you into your natural frequency.
We're at a very, very powerful energy point. Do you feel it? Yeah, it's so powerful, right? It's our greatest annual opportunity for radical cellular transformation. Our spiritual consciousness is shifting. It's waking up in a big, big way. Your inner teacher is really going to wake up. When we come together and we gather like this together, this is where the real power lies. We're not meant to be alone and go through this journey. We're meant to do this together. And I'm not in front of you or behind you, we're side by side. So what do you want? What do you want? Do you know what you want? Use your intuition and you will know. The answer will come to you. I bow to the teacher within me. I bow to the teachings that are in everything and all things, blessings, challenges, everything. Keep rubbing the hands, please. We're stimulating that brain, pineal, pituitary gland. Close your eyes, sit tall. Start to go within, go inward, focus inward. Deeply breathing. Good. Place the hands together. Begin to join in whenever you feel ready.
Invite your body to some gentle movement to really drop in into yourself, drop in into your body. It's going to be only a few gentle movements. So you can bring your hands onto your knees, closing your eyes, and as you inhale, you just lean in forward, and you will make a circle, so you will be actually rotating on your pelvic area. Real gentle movements. Tuning into your body. Feeling where you are tonight. Physically, emotionally. We are warming up our body, warming up our energy, activating our energy. But in a gentle, smooth, easy way. me. And while I'm gently feeling into your body, I would like to share something with you that I had from one of my friends last night celebrating summer solstice. And I found it quite beautiful as we were sharing words what the summer solstice represents for us. Now inhaling into the center, deeply holding your breath, and gently exhaling. Now taking your hands and grasping your ankles, you will do spine and flex, where when you inhale, you will open your heart, you will lean forward, and when you exhale, you will lean back, flex back. So inhale forward, exhale back. The chin will stay parallel to the ground.
Take a deep breath in. Exhale completely. We're going to be doing a cooling breath, which is known as the Sitali Pranayama. So it involves taking your tongue and curling it like a straw. And if you can't do that, just stick the tongue out. We're going to breathe in deeply through that curled tongue like a straw. And then you'll close your mouth, pull the tongue in, and slowly breathe out through your nose. So you want to have your eyes closed and just breathe slowly, slowly, slowly this breath. Good, now just breathe naturally through your nose. Notice how things have shifted. It's the gentle movements that Svetlana led us through. And the breathing now. So we're ready to lie down and receive.
I learned to receive the kind words and gifts, the smile.